explanation for checkpoint number 1 of the work experience project. So for this portion of the project, you are only going to have had 40 hours of work experience or community service experience completed at this point. So what I should see completed at this point in time for checkpoint number 1 is this top section here, and then proof that you've been doing your hours. So I should see some signatures here, okay, that equate to a 40 hours of experience. And then for the written portion of this assignment, you need to complete reflection number 1. Okay, so pay attention to details here. This is the only part. It says within the first 40 hours of experience, so only reflection number 1. So for this part, you'll have to answer the questions: what duties and responsibilities of the work or service do you enjoy the most, the least, and what duties and responsibilities would you like to do more? What are the most important skills you have learned so far? Describe how these skills have contributed to your overall performance. And finally, what can you do to continue building these skills throughout your experience? Okay, I should see correct grammatical usage. I should see details. There's 3 questions here. So I should see at least a paragraph of writing for each one of these, okay? If you want to get that full A for this assignment. So I really want to see details. I want to see, what is this experience doing for you? Because work experience is valuable. It teaches you so much. But even if this isn't something you're going to do for the rest of your life, you're still building those skills. I started out working in a movie theater, and shoveling popcorn isn't what I'm doing now, but it does give you skills. It taught me to talk to people. It taught me to get over being shy. It taught me how to make sure I'm working on time, to follow instructions. So I mean, there are things that you are learning in this job, and I'm looking forward to seeing what that is. If you have any questions as you're completing this reflection, don't hesitate to reach out, but this is what you need to submit. And remember, this is worth 30 points, so basically assume that each question response is worth 10 points each. If you have any questions at all as you're completing this, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much.